Hello friends, welcome back to the Kemel Business Ideas channel, a source for everything you need to know about starting and growing your own business using machines from Alibaba and Amazon. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner looking for new ideas, this channel provides you with that valuable insights and practical tips to help you succeed. Subscribe now and join our community of business enthusiasts. Here are top 5 business Alibaba machines to invest in and start making money easily. 1. Nail making machine. The nail manufacturing industry is essential for the construction, fabrication, and woodworking industries, and this ensures consistent demand for the nails. Machine can produce different types of nails such as common nails, concrete nails, roofing nails, framing nails, specialized nails for specific industrial applications, including pallet nails and box nails used in construction and building projects. With this machine, nails of various sizes, lengths, and thicknesses can be produced to meet specific customer requirements and market demands. Starting a nail-making business with machines from China provides several income benefits, which makes it a viable entrepreneurial venture. Nail-making machines provide significant benefits by enhancing production efficiency, ensuring product quality and consistency, and reducing costs. Their versatility, scalability, and ability to produce various types of nails make them a valuable investment for businesses looking to meet the diverse needs of the construction, furniture making, and industrial markets. 2. Ball pen making machine. If you wish to start a simple business right from your home yard or garage, then your eyes should really focus on getting a machine that produces ball pens due to their consistent market demand, and since ball pens are essential writing tools used globally in schools, offices, and homes. Various types of ball pens, including retractable, non-retractable, gel ink, and rollable pens can be produced. Machines allow production of customized pens with different colors, designs, and branding for promotional purposes, catering to diverse customer needs and preferences. Machines can be programmed to incorporate innovative designs and features such as ergonomic grips or special inks. They reduce production costs through automation, minimizing manual labor and material waste. The high demand for pens in educational, professional, and personal use ensures a steady market for produced goods. Investing in such machines can provide significant economic opportunities for your business, allowing you to capitalize on the continuous demand for writing instruments in educational, professional, and personal contexts. 3. Block making machine / concrete block molding machines. Starting a block making business using affordable and reliable machines from China is a profitable venture, especially in areas with growing construction demands. The machine manufactures various types of concrete blocks, including hollow blocks, solid blocks, pavers, interlocking blocks, and curbstones. Capable of producing large quantities of blocks in a short time, meeting the demands of large construction projects. Blocks produced are durable and long-lasting, providing strong and reliable building materials. Some machines are designed to be environmentally friendly, using less cement and incorporating recycled materials. The advantages of such a business idea is that the construction industry is on a continuous growth, and this makes building materials highly demanded. Producing blocks locally can offer high profit margins due to lower transportation costs and increased local demand. The raw materials needed are typically cement, sand, gravel, fly ash, and water. Investing in a block-making machine can significantly enhance the efficiency and quality of blocks produced, which makes it a valuable asset for construction businesses. 4. Sanitary napkin making machine / sanitary pads machine. These machines produce sanitary pads, which are essential for feminine hygiene. They automate the production process, ensuring high efficiency, quality, and hygiene standards. They produce various types and sizes of sanitary napkins, including regular, ultra-thin, overnight, and panty liners. Sanitary pads making machine can be lucrative due to the high demand for these hygiene products by especially women and girls, and provide business opportunities for entrepreneurs and SMEs to enter the hygiene product market, contributing to local economies. Machines are able to produce biodegradable or sustainable materials, catering to environmentally conscious consumers. Sanitary napkin making machines play a crucial role in the production of feminine hygiene products. They offer numerous benefits, including high efficiency, consistent quality, cost-effective production, and the ability to meet diverse market demands. By investing in these machines, businesses can capitalize on the growing demand for sanitary napkins, contribute to menstrual hygiene, and create economic opportunities, especially in regions with limited access to hygiene products. 5. Concrete leveling machine, also known as concrete skids or floor levelers, are used to create a smooth and even surface on freshly poured concrete. The concrete leveling machine is widely used in the construction of various small and large projects such as gardens, recreation facilities, buildings, highways, municipal roads, town squares, airport runways, and other concrete projects. Using this machine can not only improve the compactness, abrasion resistance, and smoothness of the ground, but also greatly improve the labor efficiency. Machine reduces the need for extensive manual labor, lowering labor costs and minimizing expenses as well as reducing on material waste. Ideal for leveling concrete in large areas such as warehouses, parking lots, and industrial floors, ensuring precise leveling and finishing for concrete surfaces, which is crucial for subsequent flooring applications like tiles, carpets, or hardwood. These machines including handheld concrete skids, walk-behind concrete skids, and laser-guided concrete skids available in various types and price ranges, catering to different project sizes and requirements. Investing in such machines implies efficiency, quality, and speed, which multiplies into more returns and broad market base with numerous benefits such as efficiency, consistency, and labor savings. Investing in a concrete leveling machine can significantly improve the quality and speed of concrete leveling tasks, making them a valuable asset for construction as a profession and business. So there you have it again, the 5 money-making machines that you can buy and start making money from the yard of your home or your garage. Please share with us in the comment section which business idea you wish to do or which other machine types you want us to talk about and which one do you intend to buy. If you were to start your business, let us know in the comments and see you in the next video. Adios.